toxin से भरा हुआ है, and that is the reason it attacks few people and not all, right? And so if you feel fresh, if you feel satisfied after you go to the washroom, then you are the person who needs to take a mark. Can you hear me, Sakshi? Yeah, I can hear you. Okay, then you have to put a tick along the sign. Okay, then second sign is no excess weight. If your bowel systems are clean, then clearly there will be no accumulation of fat in the body, and that is the reason there is no excess weight. So if you are somebody who has the normal weight, nahi kam, nahi jada, then you are a person who can actually tick, along this sign. The third one, the most important for all the girls, is the clear skin. Yeah. Clear skin is the skin is the direct indicator. Exactly. The skin is the direct indicator of the health and the hygiene of the internal organs. You know, in the Chinese medicine, 3000 years ago, they used to use face mapping. मतलब क्या होता है कि पिंपल से पता चल जाता है कि कौन से इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स बिगड़े हुए हैं. So if you get a pimple here on the forehead, it shows that your small intestine is not good. If you get it here in between your brows, then it shows that your liver is not good. If you get it around somewhere here, puffy eyes or some pimples here, shows that kidney is not good. Here on the nose, heart is not clear, not good. And here समझो यहाँ चिन के आजू बाजू आता है, then there are certain kind of hormonal issues which we need to tackle. And if it's something here around the mouth, large intestine is not good. So you see, it just face पे से pimple से पे पता चलता है from your skin that whether the organs are clear or not. So if you have a clean and clear skin, then you definitely have to mark a tick along this sign. Then next is, so we are now just 5 symptoms, clear signs away from you getting your health score. So, and stay tuned till the end, because we are going to let you know how to improve your score as well. So now the next we come on to the fourth one, and it is, as you rightly said, energetic throughout the day. नेचर ने हमें इतनी सारी एनर्जी, इतनी सारी ऊर्जा लेके भेजा है कि इफ यू आर हेल्दी, यू कैन डेफिनेटली वर्क फ्रॉम 5 o'clock till 10 o'clock without any nap, without any rest in between. So if you are lazy even after you wake up in the morning, or you feel sleepy all the time, then you have to mark a cross along this sign. Then the next symptom is a strong feeling of hunger. Means जब भी भूख लगे जोरों की लगनी चाहिए. So actually it's very nice because कभी किसी को भूख नसीब ही नहीं होती है, उनको पता ही नहीं चलता है कि भूख का मतलब क्या है. They feel hungry, they sit on the table, but एक रोटी भी खाएंगे ना तो उनकी भूख मिट जाती है, because this shows that the digestion of the previous food is only not done. Okay. That is the reason you don't feel hungry. Right? So if you are somebody who really feels good, there is feeling of good hunger for your lunch and dinner, then you have to mark a tick along this sign. Now, the next is experiencing good sleep. That's the most important thing, because physical health agar अच्छी है, तो definitely you will get a very गहरी नींद. Actually, गहरी नींद यस, गहरी नींद किसको बोलते हैं, एक छोटे बच्चे को पूछना चाहिए. तो अगर हम उसको सोफे से लाके रात को उसके बेड पे ट्रांसफर करते हैं, नेक्स्ट डे उसको पता चलता है कि मुझे ट्रांसफर किया गया था, उसको बोलते हैं गहरी नींद. Unfortunately, we don't have that kind of gehri need. Yeah, you are there, but yeah, both. We are like nothing can, even if something is like, some knock is happening, like someone is drilling something downstairs or something is happening, some faint sound also, it doesn't bother. True. Even unfortunately उतना तो कह रही एक्चुअली हमारा नींद होना चाहिए कि एसी भी बंद कर दो तो नेक्स्ट डे सुबह पता चलना चाहिए कि एसी बिना एसी के हम सोए थे. We sleep so deep and yeah, but there are people who actually wake up in between so many times. They don't sleep, then they take at least, they toss and turn and take an hour or two before they sleep. So if you are of this kind, if somebody is of that kind, then please mark a cross against this this symptom. Then next is no pain in the body. मतलब कोई भी अंग आपको पुकारना नहीं चाहिए your attention. There should not be any pain. हेडेक बोल लो, बैक पेन, टेलबोन पेन, काफ पेन, जॉइंट पेन, ये सब नहीं होना चाहिए. हेडेक, आई नो बिकॉज यू आर अ लिटिल पिथ प्रकृति ना, तो थोड़ा सा है.
And when I'm working, back pain, like depends, not throughout the year.
Yeah, but it's only when there's a little strenuous exercise, I think. Otherwise, no, right?
Yeah. No, but headache is
there because of the acidic levels.
Yeah.
Okay. So, and the last one, which is, I'm sure you will definitely say yes to this because it's experiencing positive thoughts. हमेशा positive रहना, clear mentality होना, calmer mind is a very good sign to health. You basically जिसको जल्दी जल्दी गुस्सा आ जाता है, or they react with anger or frustration, then you are somebody who needs to put a cross along this time.
No,
So
but in the middle, like you can get angry with emotion.
sorry.
I mean, you can get angry, but obviously not often. Not often.
Not often, obviously. Obviously we are humans. We are in this life. तो थोड़ा बहुत तो होने वाला है. But there are people who छोटी छोटी बातों पे एक कांच का ग्लास भी छोड़ दिया तो गुस्सा हो जाते हैं किसी पे भी. That kind. That you know. So क्योंकि अगर बॉडी अंदर से क्लीन रहेगी तो obviously your mind, your thoughts will also be clean. जैसा अन्न वैसा मन. It is that. Sorry.
Frustrated body.
True. Very true. Okay, so these were the clear signs. This will help you to know which level of health you belong to. So I hope even you did, Sakshi, your health score. So what was your score out of 8?
I think, to be honest, because it, 6.
आपका digestion था proper, no
6
excess weight. 6. Okay, great. So how do you feel after being healthy? 6 is a nice score, obviously.
Yeah,
it's a
6.
Though we are reaching towards 8, but okay, it's okay. But you tell me, how do you feel being healthy?
So for me, I told you, health is being wholesome. Levels. For me, energy levels. Before I was suffering every month. I was bad, like head, like literally. Now it's not. It's all gone. And then for me, when I used to wake, I feel like energy level and it plan how we planned it according how you planned it, after seeing Veda. Good energy level. And know how it feels on and how it feels, to have good body throughout the day, consistently. So for me, I feel that I mean, I've seen the difference, so I can say, I'm healthy, and it's all thanks to you, honest.
Thank you. But it's all thanks to you because you did it so dedicatedly.
So it's not only me. You basically, my father got diabetes. You gave me I gave you a frantic call, and he followed it for a month. Obviously, his came down, and he much better. And it's so those things which you suggested. It's like readily available at our home. Like medicine or anything for it. Meds, anything. So it helped him a lot, and he still follows it. Because immediate, like within a week.
Yeah, that's true.
I want you to talk more about Ayurveda because I want people to know, whoever's watching, for them, they should know about Ayurveda and how you plan probably a diet thing for how it is related to Ayurveda.
Sure. Basically, Vata, Pitta, Kapha. Actually, it's a very interesting topic. I'll briefly, quickly describe what is Vata, Pitta, Kapha. This is how we actually know what the body type is. So, if somebody is a Vata Prakriti, they are somebody, they cannot sit at, they're very similar to air. They cannot sit at one place. There are so many thoughts going around at one time. And during the COVID, I am sure उन्होंने अपनी traveling plans भी बना दी होगी कि मुझे, यहाँ जाना है, वहाँ जाना है. Right. And these people are actually, what do you say? उनके tab पे भी, even if their mobile is open, I'm sure 10 tabs or icons are right now also open, and they refuse to just come out of it. And they're very creative, they're very talkative. But when Vata goes out of balance, they feel very constipated, because ये बंदा है ना, उसको प्यास लगती नहीं है. वो अगर मुझे बोले ना कि मैं 5-6 ग्लास पीता हूँ, फिर भी आई विल नॉट बिलीव, बिकॉज ये प्रकृति को प्यास लगती नहीं है. दे इवन स्किप देयर मील्स, दे आर नॉट इवन कंसर्न्ड अबाउट इट. And so the one best tip that I want to give you for Vata people is that please start having little castor oil, little soot, that is the ginger powder. Mix it together and add little jaggery for the taste, and just have it at bedtime. Trust me, this will pacify your Vata. Okay, now then comes down is the Pitta Prakriti. Pitta Prakriti is something like fire. They're very energetic, very joyful. They are the shan of the group basically. And but उनको ना गुस्सा बहुत जल्दी आ जाता है. They react with anger, with frustration. So अगर कोई kid भी एक पित्ता प्रकृति का होता है ना, तो मुझे उसकी मदर को बोलना पड़ता है कि 12 बजे लंच है, तो भाई 11:30 को ही उसको दे दो, वरना ही इज डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू मेक यू नट्स. And but these people, eat very fast. Their metabolism is amazing as compared to the other two. Okay, and these people need not go gluten free. They can easily have wheat. Just don't, people actually don't follow the crowd. एक ने बनाया gluten तो दूसरा भी खाया. It's not that way. It all depends upon the prakriti or the body type that you belong to. And during this COVID also lockdown, I am sure they must have cleaned their house multiple times. They love enjoying their online workout. They are still waiting कि कभी gym open होए. And they must have started new projects during this lockdown. This is the Pitta Prakriti, because they expect a lot from them, and they are like perfectionists. Then is the Kapha Prakriti. Kapha Prakriti are very very calm, very complacent. उनको कुछ भी बोल दो, उनको कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता, कितना भी criticize कर दो.
Close.
Close. Yeah. But they are very loving, they are very caring. They are like, they are into the teachers and the counseling kind of a profession. But if I get somebody of this kind, their metabolism is very sluggish. सुबह को उनको उठाना मतलब it's a pain for their family or friends or all. And but these people don't like to workouts, but they just love to sit and watch. पूरा Netflix का series घुमा दिया होगा ये lockdown में, dead sure about it. So this is the Kapha Prakriti actually. And briefly, this is what I've described. I hope people understood what Prakriti they belong to. Some people may have just one Prakriti, some people may have the dual Prakritis. And so it later, then we decide upon the food, like Vata hai, so we have to bring them down, we have to give them with the heavy foods like amaranth and avocados and papaya, banana, जिसको हम उसको नीचे लाके रख सकते हैं. Then Pitta is full of fire. We have to give them very cooling foods like ash gourd and chia seeds, celery. ये सब even amaranth is good for them. Even wheat is good for them. But Kapha Prakriti is a very little delicate people. Let me tell you, for them, remember I gave those infused waters. So Kapha Prakriti को मैं especially उनको chili flakes देती हूँ पानी के अंदर, so that it keeps their metabolism always ticking. And for them coconut is a big no, and because उनपे बहुत ही सारा mucus ही जमा हुआ रहता है, so it is better that they don't have coconut. There are many things inside. ये briefly मैंने just describe कर लिया. If people want to know in detail, I'm going to do a detailed one next Saturday with somebody else called Ashish. Yeah.
Or they can ask.
Yes. Sorry, what did you say, Sakshi? आपका बीच-बीच में ना आवाज कट हो रहा है.
I said, or they can get in touch with you and then simply ask you.
Exactly, they can definitely get in touch and take a specified Vata, take a specified Prakriti kind of a diet, which we normally do. That's our forte. Okay, anyway, so let's get back to the topic. Huh.
Yeah. Question. So I wanted to ask you, like, like people are diggers for sugar. Like they like to eat sweet. Like I have a sweet tongue. I think most of the people do like to eat sweets. Now the festive season is also coming. So there'll be a lot of mithai, a lot of like Diwali's coming, and then a lot of things. So tell me, how do you cook cravings? How do you like go past with it? It's like a whole.
See, actually, sugar craving ना बहुत खतरनाक चीज है. I always tell sugar cravings like a devil girlfriend or a boyfriend जो हमारे पास सब कुछ लेती है पर हमें कुछ देती नहीं है. उसके खुद के मेटाबॉलिज्म के लिए क्रोमियम ले लेगी, विटामिन डी ले लेगी, बट फाइनली हमें उस पर डिपेंडेंट होना पड़ता है. वंस यू टेक, यू जस्ट कीप ऑन टेकिंग इट. बट फ्रेंकली माँ माँ ही होती है, पापा पापा ही होते हैं. सो शुगर ऑल्टरनेटिव्स थोड़े डिफिकल्ट हो जाते हैं. बट इफ यू गो बैक to your ancient intelligence, normally what we used to eat chana with little jaggery in it and little teaspoon of ghee. Trust me, ये simple चीज है. It's so powerful. आप खाली ये 7 दिन ले लो, the sugar cravings will not be the next time. Or maybe you can take some peanut chicky or a Rajgira chicky, that's the amaranth chicky, homemade. You can definitely enjoy on them. You can even do coconut flakes with little dry kharek. That yellow kharek which I had sent you once. And almonds. उसका कोई थोड़ा सा trail mix बना के भी आप every evening you just have it. The main aim is that don't do self denial. कि नहीं खाना है, नहीं खाना है, नहीं खाना है. फिर कभी ना एक bomb फूटता है and तभी you will have a tub full of ice cream. Always have little every day so that it just curbs your cravings down. क्योंकि एक बार खा लिया तो वो 2 वीक का पूरी मेहनत गई पानी में. It is that way.
So are you suggesting we should have sweets and in like the
healthy sweets, the natural one? As I said, sugar to bilkul bhi nahi. That's really processed. That's really refined. Sorry.
In a week, how many times can you have?
See, in a week you can definitely have two times, not more than that. Even Diwali ke agar mithai se
Your timing, like morning,
evening snacks, just rely on evening. Don't mix it with your lunch, don't mix it with your dinner. Just evening snack mein ek baar le lo so that it counts those few 120 calories, and at the same time you satisfy yourself. Don't go behind healthy desserts like keto desserts and all those desserts, gluten free desserts, because they are you feel that it's healthy, but trust me, they are not healthy if with respect to your calories. You may consume more if you really don't know what is going inside. Okay. And desi mithais, घर की बनी हुई मिठाई, just do have it. But एक लड्डू बनाया, एक बर्फी बनाया, stick to only one. Because when you have a second, if you're having a second, just think of yourself कितना मेहनत किया है to push down your, just picture yourself कितने compliments मिलने वाले हैं later, or maybe which dress you want to really go into, all that will really help you